Hi, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to your guide to savoring the summertime. I'm Maureen, and this is Eleanor. Today, we'll be talking about the benefits of intuitive eating, nature-made crafts, fun summer recipes, cooking with your kids, and more. So comment to let us know you're here. 3 lucky people will win a Kiwi surprise pack. So today is all about Kiwi summer issue. You can check out the summer issue for free online at kiwimagonline.com and by clicking on the Kiwi tab on momsmeet.com, and you can also access it through the issue app. So yeah, we're so excited to have you here. We're so excited. It's almost summer and we have our new summer issue coming out. So Eleanor, why don't you share with everyone how they can enter to win for today?
Yep, so 3 lucky winners are going to get a Kiwi surprise pack today. So comment, like, and share the video for your chance to win. We want to know, what are you guys most excited to do with your family this summer? I know I have plans to go visit people. I feel like things are finally opening up a little bit more. So we really want to hear from you what you guys are looking forward to this summer with your family. And we'll pick some winners on Friday.
Yeah, I am just looking forward to seeing my extended family this summer and just doing things that we took for granted. You know, and my kids, I had a baby over the winter, so I have now a 2.5-year-old and a baby. So taking them to the beach and just introducing the baby to the family, that's what we'll be doing over at my house. So I'm just excited to have a little taste of normalcy while still, you know, being safe and everything. So.
Yeah, that'll be really great. I mean, I know it's so exciting. Congratulations, this is your first Facebook Live since you've been back, so it's super exciting. We're so happy to have Maureen back on, so yay.
Yeah, it'll be nice to just have a little taste of normalcy. I think we'll all appreciate it so much this summer. So
definitely.
Let's see. Yeah, a couple people, I'm just looking at some comments here from people going to the beach, excited to see their family and river and boat trips. Amber, that sounds fun. I want to go. Yeah, spending time with family and barbecues and going to some normal summer stuff. So hopefully I feel hopeful, and hopefully we can all, you know, get a taste of what's good about the summers to come and everything. So, all right, let's dive into the issue. So I'm super pumped about this issue. Got some great stories, some great summertime things, some great recipes. There it is. It's beautiful. And also you can see on the cover is celebrating 15 years. So we turned 15 this year. So stay tuned, because we're in the issue. We're going to talk to you a little bit more about, we're going to have a celebratory little Facebook Live birthday party coming in September. So you can get all of that information in the issue too. So Kiwi's 15. Okay, so also moving into the stories, we have a great one called Intuitive Eating for Families. If you're not sure what intuitive eating is, it's often referred to as the anti-diet. It was developed by 2 dietitians, Evelyn Tribble and Elise Resch. They said that intuitive eating is an evidence-based mind and body health approach that asks you to tap into your body's natural ability to alert you to feelings of hunger and satisfaction. So the main principle of it is kind of moving away from counting calories and worrying about what the scale says, and really just focusing on listening to your body and what your body needs to be nourished, and listening to your body's cues and kind of taking that as your way to be healthy and think about how you eat. So it's a really holistic, natural way of having a good relationship with food. And as parents, we're in the process of teaching our kids how to have a relationship with food. And it's really hard, because you come with your own baggage, and you also just want your kids to eat healthy foods. And if you have who only wants to eat pasta, you know, figuring out what the right language is to use, and how to kind of instill these principles of intuitive eating for your kids. So this article is really great, because it helps you get started there and help you put the mindset in that you're trying to get your children to feel connected with when they're full, what they want to eat, and things like that. So it is a really good story that I learned a lot from too. So definitely check that one out.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. I mean, I know that's something growing up that I feel like would have been a really great approach as well as like a kid. I mean, it makes so much sense.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. And giving your child the tools to, be in charge of their hunger and when they're full and things like that. So it's good. It's really good.
Yeah. So for this issue, I also got to do something really fun. I always joke how much I love this job because I get to make some crafts. So I got to do the summer crafting article. So as you can see, this is one of the crafts, the flower print coasters. So I got my glue gun out and my rolling pin, and I started crafting away for these. As a kid, I loved crafting, and one of the things we did a lot going to the shore was we would collect all these seashells. So we'd have this big bag of seashells. We'd fill up our pockets. We'd have buckets of them, whatever. As kids, you're like, ooh, this one's pretty. So I think it would be a really fun craft. And that's why I was like, oh, this would be great to make like a seashell mobile. So you can kind of hang up the really, really, really pretty seashells that you find. Or if you find any uniquely shaped ones, every now and then you find like one of those really crazy cool ones. And you're like, well, I've never seen one like this before. So now you can hang up your seashells and kind of display them, which would be fun. And then obviously in the summer, there's a lot of foliage. There's flowers, there's greenery. Things are just blooming and beautiful. So that's why the flower print coasters are a great way to kind of print those flowers into that and keep them around. So you get to kind of experience that all the way through the year. And they're super easy modeling clay. You can just kind of grab whatever branches or flowers are around and imprint them in the coasters, let them dry, and then there you go. You've got these really fashionable kind of chic looking coasters. The gray clay for this, but you can always use like reds and purples and greens. They have a lot of different colors out there too, so you can kind of customize it, which is fun. And then the third craft is kind of woodsy. I grew up in the woods. So this is something I was like, oh yeah, it's woodsy. And it's a tea light holder. And you actually use an old tuna can, or if you have like cat food or something, you can use a cat food tin, but you glue sticks around it to put the tea light in. So it kind of gives you this cool woodsy vibe, and you can dress it up or dress it down depending on what kind of ribbons you use and stuff. So it's just really fun crafts to make sure you guys have fun things to do this summer with your kids.
Yeah, they're all super cute and really doable, even if you yourself don't think that you're the most crafty of people. There's directions, and there's not a lot of materials that you need for it either. So it'll be a fun way to spend, like, let's say it's 90 degrees and you want to stay inside and craft, or you want to go forage for things in the backyard, bring it inside. These are great, great little crafts too. So I think I want to do the seashell one with my son, because we're starting to collect seashells now. We live by the beach, so and I could hang that in his room, his new big boy room. So we'll see. Yeah. Stay tuned. I will try it. Okay, so we also have this gorgeous, delicious looking barbecue recipe for the summer. Love our summer recipes every single year, but this one is called Barbecue Mainstays Made Healthier. So while we're all enjoying the simple joys of being in our backyards and cooking out with our families and having some friends over, these are some great recipes to print out and use for your next barbecue. So we have, well, first of all, this gorgeous ice cream right here, which is a strawberry chocolate chip homemade ice cream. And you would think, I always have been intimidated by making my own ice cream, but the directions are so simple and the ingredients are really, really simple too. So I am making this. Jersey strawberries are fresh right now, so I will be making this with my Jersey strawberries. Yeah. We also have a tomato and corn salad and a grilled Peruvian chicken, which is a nice way to, I eat chicken all the time, so it's a nice way to do chicken in a different, new way. So definitely check out our recipe feature, because everything looks gorgeous and it's healthy and fresh and uses all of the seasonal ingredients that we love so much for the summer. So check that out too.
Yeah, I was skimming through those and they look so good. And the ice cream especially, I mean, ice cream is just so perfect in the summertime. So
yeah.
I'm just like, yes, give me some of that. But the summer issue is also always filled with really fun activities just to keep your kids busy during the summertime. We also have another Ask the Nutrition Expert article with Melissa Halas, who's answering the question, I hear cooking with your kids helps them try new foods, but I don't know where to start and it's overwhelming. That one's really great because it helps kind of talk you through getting your kids involved in the kitchen, that sort of stuff. We're also talking a little bit about how moms are leading the climate fight, which is something near and dear to us at Kiwi as well, as in Moms Meet and all of that. So we always love to spotlight stuff like that. And then, of course, we've got our In Season Now feature, which is cucumbers, which are one of my favorite summertime veggies to use. So there's so many great ways to eat them, and they're the perfect refreshing summer snack. I mean, cool as a cucumber, like that's the way to go.
Yes, amazing. Okay, so be sure to check out everything because there's so much more than what we highlighted, and there's a lot of goodies packed into this issue. So make sure that you head to kiwimagonline.com to read the issue and go to momsmeet.com. You can also get it there or get the issue app on your phone. And don't forget to keep commenting, liking for your chance to win because 3 people will win a Kiwi Surprise Pack from today. So I also want to call out super exciting, our 2nd annual Beyond the Lunchbox digital conference is officially happening August 2nd through the 9th. So this is your save the date for that. Registration will be open in a few weeks, but it's going to be the same great experience that we had last year with wonderful speakers. And the whole concept of the event is to help parents discover the big ideas and the practical solutions behind sustainability, health and wellness, nutrition, and kids' lunch. And it all revolves around everything that we as parents care about during the back to school season. So whether or not you want to make more sustainable shopping choices for your family when it comes to back to school, or you want to learn a little bit more about how what you eat and how it is grown affects climate change and things like that, you come to this event. There's going to be great brands that you'll learn about too, and chances to win, different giveaways, and it's a really fun week-long event, and we're so excited. We're busy planning it right now, so just make sure you save the date and then stay tuned for how to register. Registration is free, by the way, so it's a free event for all parents, and you can watch it from the comfort of your own home, which is the best part too. So and don't forget to also stay tuned for the Kiwi 15-year anniversary birthday party coming up in September as well. I believe September, right? Yep. All right, so lots of exciting things, and we wish you the happiest and the safest summer. We hope you can have a great time with your family. We will be with ours. And yeah, thank you for joining us. And remember to keep sharing, liking, and commenting for your chance to win. And we will select winners on Friday. Yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Have a great Memorial Day weekend, guys.
Yes.
All right. Bye.